Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block attacks within the Tekken 3 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will either need to access the Tekken 3 game on a PlayStation 1 emulator, or the web browser version. So from either one of these options, you will first need to access the Tekken 3 game. Once you download the game resource files and the game starts to work on your device, you will be able to start various different matches. Now, after you have chosen your character, the match will begin right away. If you wish to check your controls, you can click on the control settings option at the bottom left, and now you will see all of the controls that you can use within the game. Now, in all of the Tekken games, whenever you need to block an attack, you will need to tap on the opposite directional button of your enemy. So this means that whenever your opponent is attacking you within the game, you will simply need to tap on the back button depending on the direction you are standing. So if you are at the left side of the screen, then you will need to tap on the left directional button. And if you are at the right side, then you will need to tap on the right directional button. And there you have it. That is how you can block various different attacks from your opponents on the Tekken 3 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.